Hello Mrs. Vidya and hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you guys very well. So in this video I will explain 12 vowel and 7 diphthongs that I have learned. Number 1, E. E. For example, lip. Lip. She is putting red lipstick on her lip. She is putting red lipstick on her lip. Number 2, E. E. For example, team. Team. Everyone on my team work well together. Everyone on my team work well together. 3. Ooh. Ooh. For example, you. You. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. Number 4. For example, hook. Hook. Peter Pan is not afraid of Captain Hook. Peter Pan is not afraid of Captain Hook. Number 5. Oh. Oh. For example, art. Art. I love public art. I love public art. Number 6. Oh. Oh. For example, blood. Blood. He has blood on his face. He has blood on his face. Number 7. Oh. Oh. For example, dog. Dog. The hunting dogs followed the skin of the fox. The hunting dogs followed the skin of the fox. Number 8. Oh. Oh. For example, short. Short. Only for a short time. Only for a short time. Number 9. A. A. For example, very. Very. She is very happy. She is very happy. Number 10. A. A. For example, apple. Apple. I would like an apple. I would like an apple. I would like an apple. Number 11. For example, alone. Alone. I enjoy working alone. I enjoy working alone. Number 12. For example, learn. Learn. Learn to be frugal. Learn to be frugal. And next, 7 diphthongs. Number 1. Ear. Ear. For example, here. Here. I'm here on business. I'm here on business. Number 2. Air. Number 2. Air. Air. For example, hair. Hair. The hair is short and smooth. The hair is short and smooth. Number 3. A. A. For example, train. Train. The train began to move. The train began to move. Number 4. I. I. For example, pie. Pie. Buying a piece of the pie. buying a piece of the pie. Number 5. Oi. Oi. For example, voice. Voice. He had a squeaky voice. He had a squeaky voice. Number 6. Oh. Oh. For example, grow. Grow. They began to grow as individuals. They began to grow as individuals. Number 7. Ow. Ow. For example, now. Now. She's need you now. She's need you now.